Har Har Mahadev. Om Sri Parvati Pate Namaha. So today I came here to visit the Kashi Vishwanath temple, which is one of the Jyotirlinga of India, where I came here during the Mahashivratri. So let's see the crowd here. Many more pilgrims has come to visit and seek the bliss of Kashi Vishwanath in this temple. So the Kashi Vishwanath temple, which is located in Banasi, is one of the 12 Jyotirlinga in India, which is dedicated to Shiva, the ruler of the universe, which is called as a Vishwanatham. So which is also known as Golden Temple because of gold plated towers built inside the temple. So today I have got a chance to seek the bliss of Sri Kashi Vishwanath, and before that I have also come here during the Kartik Purnima as a Dev Diwali. So this is the entrance gate number 2. From this gate I enter and I seek a bliss of Kashi Vishwanath temple. So the temple has been rebuilt and destroyed many times according to the time and situation. So the original temples said to have been built by King Vikramaditya as long as 2500 years ago, and that the temple was rebuilt by Gujarati merchant during the reign of Delhi Sultanate Iltutmish and the Mansin I of Jaipur. So Jagat Guru Narayan Bhatt also rebuilt this temple in 1585 CE from Patan, Maharashtra. So Raghunath Pandit rebuilt this temple also during the reign of the Akbar, who was a finance minister of the Akbar at that time. And already I mentioned about this, and this temple is located on the eastern bank of the Ganges river, which is flowing through the Banarsi, which is Dasarmekh Ghat, is quite popular along with the Assi Ghat. So the current structure of the temple, which is built by the Maharani Devi Ahilya Bai Holkar, who was a Holkar ruler from the Indore city in 18th century. So and the spires and the domes of the temple were gold plated by Maharaja Ranjit Singh of Sikh Empire in 1835, and in 1930 Pandit Madan Malviya also replicated the temple into the campus of the Banaras Hindu University, and the Birla family also rebuilt this temple, so completed in 1966. So the temple has been attacked so many times and damaged multiple times by invaders, including the Muhammad Gaur, Kutubuddin Aibak, Sikandar Lodi and Aurangzeb, who destroyed the temple. So let's see the crowd during the Mahashivratri. It's very crowdy, and I also got a chance, and already I took a place of Kashi Vishwanath temple. So bolo Har Har Mahadev, Sri Parvati Pate Namaha. ओम नमो श्री भगवती वासुदेवाय नमः। ओम तरम कमयजामहे सुगंधिम पुष्टिवर्धनम। सो हर हर महादेव।